Good morning students. Today we are going to read Geography chapter 2, Land, Soil, Water, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. In the previous chapter we have read about resources and the types of resources. If you could recall, the first type of resources was natural resource. Okay, this you have read. So here in this chapter we are going to read about natural resources only. Land, soil, water, natural vegetation and wildlife. So the first resource which we are going to read in this chapter is land. Now there are some important facts about land. First we will read about them. It is an important natural resource. Land is important natural resource. Why it is called as important natural resource? It is because all human activities they take place only on land. Like farming, like mining, like construction, building of roads, building of complexes, means that for all economic activities we require land. Without land, these economic activities and development of the country is not possible. Now the second is, it covers 30% of the earth. Now if you see the earth, you will find some pieces of land. These pieces of land shows us that the major part of the earth is covered by water and a small part of the earth is covered with land. And above all, this 30% is not completely used by human beings. What it means? That all the parts of this 30% land is not habitable by human beings. It shows that in some parts the human beings are present and in some parts human beings are not living. Why it is so? What are the reasons of this uneven distribution of population on this 30% of earth? So now we will read about the reasons of uneven distribution of population. There are two major reasons of uneven distribution of population. First is different landforms and the other one is different climatic conditions. Different landforms. You all know that on the earth there are different types of landforms like mountains, plateaus, plains. Similarly, the topography of these different landforms are different. Okay, somewhere it is plain, somewhere it is rugged. Now the slopes, somewhere the slopes are very steep and somewhere there are gentle slopes available. Somewhere there are very thick forested areas and somewhere there are only plain areas. Okay. Now if we talk about the climatic conditions, you will find that there are areas where there is heavy rainfall and there are areas where they receive very less rainfall. Again, the temperature also. Similarly, there are areas where high temperature is there and there are some other areas where temperature is moderate. So basically, depending upon these differences, people they prefer to live in those areas where they get plain areas, gentle slopes and obviously where water is available but in proper quantity, not very heavy rainfall or not very low rainfall, means where the rainfall is moderate. And similarly with temperature also, where the temperature is moderate, people prefer to live over those areas. So if we conclude this thing, so we will see that the areas of plain topography, the areas which are near the river valleys, they are densely populated. And the areas where the rainfall is either very high or very low, or the areas where the temperature is either very high or low temperature, so such areas are not used or not habited by human beings. They are sparsely populated. Now the next topic is land use. In whichever areas people they live, they do not use the land for same purpose. As in the beginning I have told you that land is used for agriculture, for mining, for building construction, for constructing buildings, for constructing roads and all. So how we will decide that this piece of land will be used for agriculture or this piece of land will be used for building a dam or building a road? So that use of land will depend on these two main One is physical factors and the other is human factors. So, under physical factors, we have again topography, soil, climate, minerals and water. Means, first we have to decide for what purpose we are going to use land. Take an example, agriculture. So, for agriculture, I have to see that I should have a plain surface. Okay, and the soil should be of good quality, fertile soil, and the climate means if I am going to use land for agriculture, so which crops I am growing. So as per the climatic condition of that crops, I have to choose the land. Similarly, availability of minerals and water is also very important for any crop. Now, as I have taken the example of agriculture, we will see human factors. Now, under human factors, we have humans and technology. If I am talking about agriculture, so what type of women or what type of human beings is skilled, unskilled, educated, uneducated, what kind of labor I want, that I have to decide. Next is about technology. You all know that farming is not separated from technology. Even today, farmers they are using modern farming methods. So this also plays very important role in using land. Let's see the classification of land on the basis of ownership. Now, on the basis of ownership, land is classified in two parts. First is private land and the second is community land. Now, what is private land? Private land is that land which is owned by individual himself. Okay, himself, herself. And suppose take an example, I have 4 acres of land. Okay, so that land belongs to me only. I am owning that land. That is my private property. Nobody can take away it. Now the next is community land. Community land are owned by one community. Now community means group of people. So here group of people can use this land for common usage. For example, parks, gardens and roads. So in this way, here we have read about classification of land on the basis of ownership. As I have explained that community lands are used by a community, means group of people. So when they use a particular area, when it is used by many people, so they do not take care of the land. In whichever way they wanted to use the land, they use it. And now what is the result of it? It leads to degradation of land. People do not take care of community land as much as they take care of their private land, because community land do not belong to them personally, whereas private land belongs to them personally. Not only careless use of land, but there are some other major threats to environment, like land degradation. Land degradation is reducing the quality of land, reduction in the quality of land. Second, landslides. Landslides is movement of big pieces of land down the slope. Third, soil erosion. Due to heavy rainfall or sometimes due to strong winds, soil gets eroded. This usually takes place when there is less vegetation. When vegetation will not be there, there would be no one to hold the soil, and soil will easily get eroded. The last is desertification. This is soil erosion leads to desertification. It leads to the collection of soil or sand at one place. Okay. Now, let's see how these threats to environment led to change in the land use pattern. In the first picture, you will observe a village with few huts and big piece of land available for agriculture. You will find some trees here. You will find big green fields over here, and farmers are using traditional methods. Now come to second picture. Now in second picture, you will observe that there are few changes. occurred over time. Instead of herds, there are houses. And instead of traditional methods, farmers now switched on to tractors. You can easily find that the trees, vegetation has been removed and there also houses are constructed. In the third picture, you will observe that the roads, metal roads have been constructed for better means of transportation. You can see buses are running, cars are running, and buildings are also now multi-layered buildings are constructed. You will find street lights also. But at the same time, you will find that vegetation is getting less and less. In fourth picture, you will find that there is a drastic change in the land use pattern. Roads have been crowded and buildings, so many buildings very close to each other are constructed, and you will find that vegetation is almost negligible. So see how these change in the land use pattern have changed the village into a crowded city. Children, you can see these pictures on page number 11 of your textbook, figure 2.2.